Finimize Market Trends app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finimize is a market trends app that delivers concise, digestible updates on stocks, global markets, and financial news. If you think premium market insights come with a hefty price tag, here's what makes Finimize different. The app is free to download, giving access to daily market summaries, news alerts, and basic portfolio tracking. For those seeking deeper analysis and exclusive content, Finimize offers a pro subscription at $99 per month or annually. This unlocks detailed market reports, expert commentary, and advanced tools for tracking trends. Most people get this wrong by assuming free versions lack value. The surprising truth is that even the free tier gives a clear overview of market movements and helps you stay informed. For example, you can get insights into tech stock performance or global economic updates in under 2 minutes each day. Pro users benefit from more robust analytics, portfolio alerts, and sector-specific trends, making it ideal for investors who want to make timely, informed decisions. The platform emphasizes simplicity and speed, ensuring you understand market dynamics without getting lost in jargon. In conclusion, Finimize offers flexible pricing that matches your level of engagement. Beginners can stay informed for free, while advanced users can pay for more in-depth market insights. Either way, it's a cost-effective tool for smarter investing decisions.